So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see that we've got reversing sensors. The whole of the back of the van storage area has been ply lined. We also have that full metal bulkhead as well, and a sliding side door just there. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge, the cooling temperature gauge, and it'll show you what gear this van is in. It's an automatic, and we're in park at the moment. Above that, we have the speedometer, the digital readout for the odometer, which is 12,261 miles, as you can see. Above that, you can change that information for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information, including a digital readout for the speedometer. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. Beneath that, we have stereo and phone controls. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter as well. And then over in the center, you'll find the main stereo for the van. This is where you pair your phone up. Just hit add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
And follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to music, we have got AM, FM, and DAB radio. This van's also got Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, and 2 separate USB inputs as well. So if you plug devices into those, they will appear up here as further options for you. Working our way down with the main volume for the stereo, we then have the air conditioning just here. So you can adjust the fan speed, the direction of the air. Air conditioning is on, off at the moment, back on with the light there, and then the temperature over on the right hand side just here. You can recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set. We have heated mirrors, a heated front screen, heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings, and the same for the passenger as well. One of the 12 volt charging sockets, there's 2 of those in here, and one of the 2 USB inputs, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The button on the side here will enable you to change up and down manually should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.